Hi, my name is Casey. Welcome to Movement Printing. Today we'll be going over how to do print-ready artwork for our contract clients. First of all, you will want to be using a vector software such as Adobe Illustrator. We will start by opening a new artboard. We prefer to do this in inches. If you are in points or pixels, you can change this right over here. We like to be in 12 by 13. That's a really good size artboard for printing on a front or back of a shirt. We're going to come over to different types of artwork here. This is one a client sent us, which is clearly not print ready, as it is just an image and we need print ready artwork to be vector. If you were not able to vector this yourself and make it a better piece of artwork, you can use our vector drawing item on our website and we will make this print ready for you. We can also change the colors in this artwork, change North Carolina to Florida, or any other changes you might need. Another type of artwork is a bit more cleaner type of artwork. It's still an image, and this is usually a PNG, a JPEG, or a Photoshop file, which is PSD, and you can see that it is not vector by zooming in here and seeing all the pixels, and it is not a flat line versus a piece of vector artwork, which we have right up here. And if I zoom in on that, you can see how clean these lines are, and it is not pixelated at all, and that is a vector piece of artwork. We'll zoom back out here and I will show you exactly how you could make this a vector piece of artwork by running a trace. Click on the image trace. I usually like to do 3 or 6 colors. I'm only seeing yellow, red, and gray here, so I'm going to do 3 colors. And that is going to begin to trace this artwork. For big blocky text, it works very well. It's going to make it look very similar to this with still being a vector piece of artwork. But for something like this, compared to how nice and clean all of this is here, we're going to click expand real quick. You're going to see that it really loses that quality. And as you could provide this as print-ready artwork, we will return this with a mock-up for you to approve, and if approved, we'll still print it for you. But we would highly recommend either redoing this yourself or using our vector drawing service, as we would much rather have something being printed like this for a high-quality print on a nice shirt for one of your clients. That said, down here is a vector piece of artwork, but it is still not print ready as there is some font showing. We'll need to create outlines around these fonts, which is very easy to do. Reason being is there's thousands of fonts out on the internet. We might not have all of them in our system, and if they're not in our system, it'll show up as a standard font, which could cause problems when printing. Easy fix for this is click on the font, come up here to type, click create outlines, and it has now turned that font into an object. That allows us to see it, not have to deal with anything, and it is now print ready. Another item that you might be dealing with is a text box, which is used with an arc, and you might come up to try to check create outlines and see that that's not there. You need to come down to envelope distort, click expand, and it is now an object. Lastly is a print ready piece of artwork. As you can tell, there's no text. It is all vector, and we are going to grab this piece and we're going to move it to our artboard here. One thing to make it print ready, you will need to make it to size. I want to size this at 8 inches because I'm going to do this as a front middle chest print. We advise having a blank shirt and a ruler around to measure your design in advance so you can see it kind of in person yourself. Another thing we will need to do here is when uploading it on our website for your order, you'll need to decide your PMS colors. We do have our PMS stock color chart available on our website under resources, and you will want to list your stock colors or a custom color. If you want to go with a stock color here, and let's say we want to change this from black to a navy blue, we could open up our Pantone solid coated window. How to do that is you could go to Windows, we're going to scroll down to Swatch Libraries, Color Books, and Pantone solid coated is right here. If I clicked on that, it would pop up this window and we could drag it right over here how we did. I'm going to go with 289 blue for the middle here, and just by clicking on that it changes the middle to navy. This is now a 2-color print on a white background, so maybe a white shirt with a navy print and then a black outline running here. This can now be print ready, sized at 8 inches, which is perfect for a circle design. A normal full front design is anywhere from 10 to 12 inches with a full back at 10 to 12 inches. A left chest design, 3.5 inches. A pocket print is 3 inches in width with a maximum of 2.5 inches in height. A vertical design could go up to about 14 inches. And for circles, we highly recommend being right around 8 to 8.5 inches. This being said, you would not want to size this to 10 to 12 inches. That's putting a lot of ink on the front of a shirt and can make a very nice shirt become very uncomfortable for your client. After you have this sized and perfectly vector, created outlines, expanded, it is now ready to save this file. Go to File, Save As. It is an Illustrator file, a .ai. We could save the file, click OK, and it is now ready to upload to our website along with your order. Thanks for watching. Please let us know if you have any questions at orders@movementprinting.com, and we look forward to working with our contract clients soon.